Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Imahe. Okay, anong name natin, ma'am?
Chona.
Hi, Miss Chona, right? Okay. So, nakita ko rito, yung some of your colors, yung contrast niya medyo fade na. And in the same time, marami kayong white hair. So, I'm planning here na mag-color tayo that's yung white hair natin is magbe-blend.
Yun,
Okay. So, we'll do also dimensional strip ng highlights para in cases magkaroon siya ng tinatawag na parang volumized look. Okay? So, nakita natin dito yung contrast, yung tone, almost fade na. Hindi naman kayo nagdi-DIY ng kulay, no?
Hindi na wala na.
Hindi ba kayo nagdi-DIY?
Dati.
Dati. nagdi-DIY kayo.
Pero,
So, ito, color nito sa salon.
salon.
Okay. So, let's begin. Tapos, mag-treatment tayo ng ng para sa color for this. Okay? Sige. Hello, madam.
Hello.
How's the color? Did you like it?
Yes.
So,
Satisfied.
satisfied. Happy naman.
Happy.
So, as far as you can see, yung saturation, tsaka yung tinatawag na blending ng color is even. Hindi siya isang part lang na minakaginistic. Also, yung pinaka-contrast ng color nyo, makikita nyo. Diba? So, sabi ko nga, is, yung gagawin kong kulay sa inyo is, pag lumabas yung white hair nyo, is magbe-blend siya. Kung nakita nyo naman ngayon. Diba? Well, saturated naman siya. Okay? Super happy?
Yes,
Okay.
of course. I'm happy.
Thank you. So, see you soon. Also, yung treatment din natin na maintenance for this. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you very much.